Okay, so something about me is I don't ever do things when they're popular. For example, I just watched season 1 of Bridgerton last year, and I was like, oh my God, you guys, the Duke is so hot. And they were like, yeah, we know, we watched it 3 years ago. And then I was like, did you know that he's not coming back for season 2? Like, why would anyone watch it if he's not coming back for season 2? Everyone was like, yeah, we know, this all happened a long time ago. What has taken you so long to catch up? Anyway, the same goes for dance shoes. My students have been telling me for years that they love their Fuegos. They are so light, they're so easy to turn in, they're so comfortable that I should really get some. And I was like, yeah, I think I'll just dance in my clunky, sticky tennis shoes. But thanks for your advice. Until Fuego reached out to me and they said, we really think that you should try our dance shoes. And I was like, pull my arm. Okay, I'll take the pink ones. And here they are. And I have not tried them on yet or looked at them. This box has been sitting here for 2 days. I intended to film this video earlier, but I was too busy and grumpy to do it. So we're doing it today, and you are going to get my real-time reaction. Okay, so here we go. Okay. Things that I'll read later. Oh, they're so beautiful. Oh my God. Oh, I love pink shoes. Okay. My first impression is they're gorgeous. They're super light, super flexible. Looks like they have nice support. Okay, I'm going to put them on. Okay. So I like this. It's like an elastic around the top. I have like what my mom calls Barney Rubble feet. So it's going to take a second. Okay, we're in. Oh, that's nice. So the laces are really just like for decoration. Okay, you guys can't see the shoes I'm wearing. I'm going to put the back up. Oh, so nice. Oh, it's like kind of like a jazz shoe. Super cute. Canvas, which I didn't realize when I ordered them, and I really like that. This part is canvas, and this is like a different material. Okay, let's try dancing in them. Okay. So first of all, they look super cute. They make my ankles look shapely, which is nice. I've got this, yes, arches. Okay, make my point look beautiful. They're very lightweight, very easy to turn in, flexible, light. Yeah, it's like wearing a jazz sneaker with just a little bit more form and a little bit, well, not a little bit, a lot more support, and very nice for turning. So I will say my initial concern with these shoes was I was thinking like, I actually like to have some traction when I'm turning. I don't like the floor to feel too slippery. And so I was thinking like, well, I'm not going to get those because I like the traction, but this is like fantastic because it doesn't make the floor feel slippery. It just makes you like, it helps emphasize your natural momentum, but like this feels so nice. Like I hate it when the floor feels too slippery underneath me, but I still have a great amount of traction, but I do feel like I can turn so much easier than I can in my regular sneakers. And so what makes them like special is that they have this like little wheel on the bottom that facilitates the turning. But like I said, it does not take away any of the natural traction that you need to have a little bit of resistance against the floor. So it's like the perfect amount of resistance, but the perfect amount of mobility to be able to do multiple spins and to make sure that you're keeping your knees nice and safe. So 10 out of 10 would recommend. Thank you so much, Fuego.